guys, today we have another Seben tutorial and we'll be looking at the song that we looked at in the past video. If you haven't watched the video, please click on the link above and where I went through the beginning of the song by Olivier Calabassi, Louange. And today we'll be playing the second bass line, so the second Seben bass line within the song. We're playing B, E, F sharp, E, B. So it's 1 4 5 4. So 1 4 5 4 1. So this is a short bass line. So what he starts off by playing is 1. So 1 5 octave. So remember, I can still do this as well instead of doing whichever one you prefer. If you want to do, or you can do, so I'll go back to the one. So what did I play there? So he did, so one, sorry, so go to the 6, the octave of the 6. So 6 5 4 5 6 6 5 4 5, and then so 6 5 4. So 6 2 7 6. So 5 5 5. After he played, so 6, then so 2 5, and then he plays it again. Okay, I'll explain. So you have, after you play, so then play the 6, and then so 5 2 5, and then again. So 5 5 5 5 2 2 2 2, then 1. So after he plays, do, 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 3 2. So 5 2. So 1 1 5 3 2 5 2. Like I said, don't worry if you don't play exactly what I'm playing or what he's playing. There might be certain things that we can use or some things that we don't have to use. So if you have your own ideas, use your own ideas as well. So you see how I'm playing this? I can do, instead of doing, I don't have to play this as well. I can go to the, I can play 6/5. So it will still sound good if you play 6/5 instead of 3/2. Thank you guys for watching. Next video, I will go through the next bass line, and please subscribe for more videos and let me know your suggestions that you may have, and like this video and comment if you found it helpful. See you next time.